Welcome to today's demonstration video on how you can use Resolve actions to help with e-commerce application issues. We've been working with several retail organizations who have an online presence where their customers can order their goods and services online. Those goods are then picked from a warehouse or a local store and packaged up for delivery via a van or truck. A common issue throughout these organizations are orders stuck in an error state, and that the troubleshooting and remediation processes are a little similar too. So showing you how Resolve actions can automate these issues away will be the focus of today's demo video. In this video, we'll first discuss some of the possible causes that could lead to an order being stuck in an error state. Then we'll look into the actual runbook or automations that will triage and resolve these stuck orders automatically by Resolve Actions, our IT automation and orchestration platform. There are a variety of causes for stuck orders. Some examples are shown on the screen now. You can pause the video to read the common causes. So before Resolve, there were several important phases for support staff to deal with these issues manually. The first being the notification from the store worker or the reporting of the issue from a third-party tool to open up a ticket. More often than not, there was a delay in it being assigned and picked up by the correct store support staff. Before automation, most of the actual troubleshooting involved the store support staff logging into a specific regional management server and then double hopping onto the relevant store server. Each store server is a local POS database, and the support staff had to execute a variety of commands to triage the issue. Sometimes the support staff might also have to review some log files on the server or even on the till and had to retrieve those logs as well. Troubleshooting and then resolution, hopefully, finally occurred, and then the staff needed to notify the store worker or whoever originally reported the issue. Orders could easily take up to half an hour for them to be unstuck. Let's flip over to our sample eCommerce Resolve runbook. Now, when this is triggered automatically by a third-party tool, whether that be a management tool or incoming email or an ITSM ticket being generated, Resolve is going to connect into the local POS database of a relevant store server and retrieve all of the affected order numbers, the order numbers that are stuck. Now, a common issue is invalid or missing barcodes, which lead to incorrect prices and therefore stuck orders. The automation workflow you are seeing on your screen now is triggered when an order includes a product line that has an invalid barcode or missing price. The automation is quite self-explanatory, but basically the automation gets the product ID, quantity, and per price of the specific order line and searches for an alternative barcode in the database. When a suitable replacement barcode is found, Resolve will perform the needed database updates and automatically reprocess the order. Finally, the ticket is updated with the actions undertaken and automatically closed, all without requiring any store support staff interaction. I'll now flip over to the store support agent view in a well-known ITSM tool. I have a new ticket here that describes the error and includes the relevant order ID and store number. Resolve is tightly integrated with ITSM tools, so your ITSM tool can push this incident to Resolve, or Resolve will automatically retrieve this incident and start to process the unstructured description and understand the context of this incident. Through the Resolve rules mapping engine, Resolve now knows the exact automation or runbook to execute. If we look at the activity logs of this incident, a summary of the diagnostics and actions undertaken, as well as the resolution notes, have already been added to this incident by our Resolve automation, and the issue has now been marked as resolved. For more detailed information and any logs, you can simply click the link to access a Resolve worksheet for this specific automation. Okay, let's now look at a second set of issues that we call card exception issues. This is going to be a little bit different than the previous scenario. However, again, the automation is responding to an event or a ticket that's being created, but this time Resolve is adding instructions into that ticket for a store support agent to action manually. We can see that the store support staff needs to contact a specific store worker to reprocess this order with the customer's payment card or a different payment card. If they are unable to do that, then we also see in the activity notes another related automation that can automate the unlock on this specific order and then automatically reprocess the order for us. The ticket is updated with all the actions undertaken, and the ticket is then updated as resolved. This is what we call interactive or guided automation. This is where a flow can be paused while the support staff carry out a necessary manual step. Resolve enables you to link or join additional runbooks or automations that might be required in this scenario, not just one task, but multiple tasks within the full process to get to the resolution. So this is just a couple of use case examples that deal with common scenarios related to e-commerce orders that we have developed here at Resolve. Our customers have reduced resolution times from hours or days down to just seconds by automating processes with Resolve actions. Your organization can automate all of the needed tasks and orchestrate the entire process using Resolve Actions, the service orchestrator and automation platform from Resolve Systems. Thank you very much for watching another demonstration video from Resolve. Goodbye.